The fight against inflation and high consumer prices, the Federal Reserve Chair warning that the president's tariffs could slow progress while announcing a decision to leave key interest rates unchanged at least for now. Wall Street rallying on that news with the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 all inching higher on Wednesday. Here to break it all down, including the impact on your wallet, NBC's senior business correspondent, Christine Romans. Always good to see you. So walk us through the Fed's thinking and what it could portend for the economy moving forward here.
Well, the president's economic agenda has completely shuffled up the chessboard here, and the Fed doesn't exactly know what's going to happen next. So uncertainty is what we heard over and over again from the Fed chief yesterday. They just don't know what the president's tariffs are going to do, and a lot of other programs from the president as well. So this is an economy dramatically remade in this new Trump administration. The Fed sees higher inflation. The Fed sees higher unemployment. The Fed sees slower growth. And essentially, you're looking about a very different set of things the Fed has to analyze about our money. So the Fed's going to leave interest rates unchanged for now and wait to see how this plays out.
So what does that mean for your bottom line? If you want to buy a car, you want to buy a home.
So look, interest rates are going to stay where they are, probably. Maybe mortgage rates could drift down just a tiny bit, but still closer to 7% than 6%. So interest rates are still going to be high here for now. If you want to buy a car, look, if tariffs are coming and you already have tariffs on steel and aluminum, a car is 50% steel and 11% aluminum. Those prices went up. You're going to see higher prices likely for a car. So if you have the money in your budget, you need a big purchase, this is probably the time to make that purchase, because the worry is the risk near term is for higher prices ahead. As for retirement investors, 62% of American adults own stocks or have exposure to the stock market. It's been a rocky 4 weeks. You saw a pop back yesterday. I expect it's still going to be volatile. So take a look at your mix of investments and be prepared for some volatility in the near term.
But you always say don't touch it. If you can, just don't touch it.
Make sure you're comfortable with what you have and then just be patient.
Thank you, Christine.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.